Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today's video, we are here in Summerlin and we are going to feature in my channels this model home reserves at Alton, owned by KB Homes. Let's go check the house, you guys. Come to Plan 1909. As soon as you get in the door, you will see the keyless entry. You will be greeted by this open layout area right here, you guys. This side right here, this is single the mount sink vanity, tub and shower combo. And right here, this is the first bedroom. With a standard closet inside. And right here, you guys, in the hallway, there is a linen closet. Now let's go to the right side. There is a powder room on this side right here. And this is the garage, but it's locked. I'm going to show you another bedroom over here. With a standard closet. And right on this side, you guys, this is a den. And another coat closet over here. From here, you guys, you will see your open layout area. This is your living room. It's a nice area. Next to that is the dining room. And this is your modern kitchen over here. Refrigerator is not included when you purchase the house. It's part of the upgrade. Right here, this is your walk-in pantry. Nice space. Right on this side, you guys, this is the laundry area. Again, the washer and dryer is part of the upgrade. That's why you don't see it here. Now I'm going to show you the primary bedroom. There's plenty of space over here. I like that wall. And here you will see the view of your community. Now let's go check your primary bath. This side right here, this is your water closet. This side is your walk-in shower with a sitting area over here. This also features a dual sink vanity. This side, this is your walk-in closet. It's a decent size, plenty of space. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you your covered patio. This patio is part of the upgrade. But just look at the amount of space that you can entertain your friends and family over here. What you see here, you guys, this is part of the upgrade, the tables and the barbecue. Okay, you guys, this concludes our okay guys, can you see the view from here of the Summerlin and the strip? Okay, you guys, this concludes our video. This is the plan 1909. The starting price is 719,990. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. There's 3 elevation on this house, the plan, and depending on which elevation you choose, the price will go up. If you are interested of owning one of this home in Alton, owned by KB, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5690. Thank you for watching my video.